In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gift wrap to your order on Amazon for those special items that are eligible. We all know that giving gifts is a wonderful way to show someone you care, and adding a personal touch like gift wrapping can make it even more memorable. So, let's dive into the process of how you can do this easily on Amazon. First, while you're shopping, you'll want to keep an eye out for items that have the gift wrap available label. This is crucial because not every item on Amazon offers gift wrapping. You'll find that many items fulfilled by Amazon, and even some from third-party sellers, will have this option. Once you spot an eligible item, go ahead and add it to your cart. Now, navigating to the checkout phase is where the magic of gift giving really starts to unfold. As you proceed through the checkout process, pay special attention to the option that says, "This is a gift." You'll generally find a checkbox near the item you're purchasing. Make sure to check this box. Doing so should present you with an additional option labeled Add Gift Wrap or something similar. On the website, this might appear nestled under a section called Gift Options, so be sure to look for it there if it's not immediately visible. Select the gift wrap option, but do note there might be an additional fee for this service. This fee can vary depending on your region, so it's a good idea to check how much it might add to your total to avoid any surprises at checkout. Adding gift wrap isn't just about the external appearance. You may also have the opportunity to include a personal message. This is a great feature for adding a special touch, whether it's a heartfelt note or a simple happy birthday. And if you're trying to keep the surprise, you can choose to hide the price on the packing slip, ensuring that your recipient focuses on the thought and not the cost. Once these options are set to your satisfaction, go ahead and complete the checkout process as you normally would. After you've finished, your gift-wrapped item will be packaged with care and shipped to the recipient's address, ready to delight them upon arrival. And there you have it. A straightforward way to add a personal, thoughtful touch to your Amazon gifts. With these simple steps, you can enhance any gift-giving occasion, ensuring your present arrives beautifully wrapped and ready to impress. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!